Menu of Ideas is a convenient organization of the various stocks that could be considered at any time for purchase under the Gorilla Trade system. The Menu of Ideas is located both in the Evening Gorilla email and on the GorillaTrades.com subscriber site. Each category of the Menu of Ideas has its own benefits. With understanding, these various stocks can be tailored to the market environment, your personal trading style, or modified to the specific needs of your portfolio. Note that daily updates to the Menu of Ideas will be made in bold type. So, if a stock was just listed in a new category, it will be added to the top of that category in bold. The following day, the stock will still remain on the list, but not in bold. An additional note is that you can simply click on any of the stock symbols to go to their respective graph, where you'll find the original recommended trading parameters, trading tips, and a company overview. The categories in the Menu of Ideas are potential picks, recently triggered, recently confirmed, light volume pullbacks, special situation picks, and Gorilla Picklets. Note that Gorilla Shorts will appear in the Menu of Ideas with orange type to differentiate them from Gorilla Picks. They will otherwise be treated the same way as Gorilla Picks. The first three categories concern the sensitive beginning stages of a Gorilla Pick. While new potential Gorilla Picks are usually presented on a daily basis, keep in mind that these picks aren't fully recommended to all subscribers until they achieve two stages of validation, the trigger point and the confirmation day. The potential picks category contains any Gorilla Picks that have been issued within the past 5 sessions that have not yet triggered. A Gorilla Pick has 5 days to trigger, or it is dropped according to the rules of the Gorilla Trade system. This category in the Menu of Ideas is used to keep a loose monitor on Gorilla Picks during this infancy stage. Some very aggressive subscribers, however, might immediately invest in a Gorilla Pick to get a jump start should the stock go on to trigger and confirm. While potential Gorilla Picks that do not trigger within the 5 days are dropped and no longer tracked under the Gorilla Trade system, many of these stocks will continue to flourish due to their strong technical orientation. If the stock graduates from this category by triggering, it will appear on the top of the recently triggered category in bold. The recently triggered stage. While each new potential Gorilla Pick was scanned for short-term strength, the trigger price and confirmation date serve as two different validators that a Gorilla Pick appears ready for significant growth. The trigger is the important first step of validating that a potential Gorilla Pick appears ready to take advantage of its technical strength. Purchasing at the trigger point as opposed to waiting for the confirmation day allows for an earlier point of entry. It gives you the potential for greater profits, but it also subjects you to additional risk. You see, it leaves you vulnerable to owning a Gorilla Pick that simply triggers on the illusion of strength, but then quickly retreats, something that does occur, especially during choppy market climates. During bull markets, however, subscribers can more liberally purchase Gorilla Picks that have simply triggered. This is because a very high percentage of triggered Gorilla Picks do go on to confirm during strong periods in the market. The recently confirmed stage. Confirmation day occurs when a Gorilla Pick trades above its trigger price on volume that meets its predetermined threshold. Confirmation serves to fortify the desired direction of a Gorilla Pick. Most subscribers simply rely on Gorilla Trades to note in the Evening Gorilla email which Gorilla Picks have confirmed from the previous session. Confirmation day significantly reduces the risk of the Gorilla Pick fluttering to its trigger price only to retreat. If a stock triggers and confirms in the same day, you will see it appear in bold only in the recently confirmed section, since confirmation is considered the greater degree of validation. After a Gorilla Pick confirms, it is fully recommended for purchase. It should be noted that confirmation day is an event, not a price, so the specifics of where you enter the trade after confirmation day are at your own discretion. After the confirmation day, the recommended stop-loss level is updated to immediately reduce the risk inherent to the trade. However, the exact entry point to the trade is at the subscriber's discretion. As with all trades, you're advised to set the trade's parameters according to your individual tolerance for risk. There's no rule that you must purchase immediately after confirmation day is declared. For this reason, recently confirmed stocks remain in this category for some time. In fact, the next category deals with just this concept of purchasing post-confirmation day. the light volume pullbacks. This category involves gorilla picks that have already confirmed, only with a twist. These gorilla picks have recently experienced a pullback to a certain degree. While all stocks are subject to pullbacks, how do you know if it is the start of a severe drop, time to sell, or just a dip along the way to future growth? What might be an ideal purchase or reinvestment point? The light volume pullback categories identifies current gorilla picks that are still technically strong, but have experienced a pullback on light volume, a typical sign that the pullback may not be of the severe variety. These points make suitable investment or reinvestment points for entry and possible continued growth. Special situation picks. While all of the previous categories deal with gorilla picks and gorilla shorts, special situation picks are meant as a bonus to the gorilla trade system. Special situation picks tend to be very explosive, but often have high volatility due to their low market capitalization. These stocks have a market cap below $1 billion, as opposed to gorilla picks, which always have a market cap above $1 billion. Accordingly, only more aggressive subscribers should consider these stocks for purchase. Unlike gorilla picks, these stocks are meant to have longer-term holding periods, several months in most cases, and trading guidelines are not provided as they are with gorilla picks. Gorilla Picklets. Gorilla Picklets were introduced at the urging of some subscribers who requested potentially powerful stock picks that trade under $5 per share and have a market cap below $1 billion. Gorilla Picklets meet all of the technical requirement of our flagship Gorilla Picks except for price. Due to their low share price, Gorilla Picklets may be prone to even more potential volatility as well as greater potential reward. Due to their potentially volatile nature, Gorilla Picklets are not for everyone and may only be suitable for the speculative portion of your portfolio. Furthermore, these picks are released without the guidance, stop loss levels, and targets that subscribers are used to receiving with Gorilla Picks. But with that said, Gorilla Trades brings its market-tested investing system into waters few dare to tread, and it has proven to be a very exciting and profitable feature. Please note, the menu of ideas is not a new concept. It's an easy-to-understand organization of the market-proven Gorilla Trade system. The bottom line is that the simplicity of the Gorilla Trade system remains the bedrock. Subscribers can, of course, stay focused on buying confirmed Gorilla picks and selling at the targets. But for those who wish to expand on this, the menu of ideas conveniently organizes your options. The following are some examples of expanding your trading based upon the menu of ideas. Consider screening Gorilla picks known for their technical strength with your own fundamental analysis. Focus on different menu of idea categories according to the overall market conditions. Note the banana barometer reading for an assessment of the market condition. Buy earlier stages more liberally during strong markets, noted by a green banana barometer. Increase your emphasis on light volume pullbacks in neutral choppy environments, noted by the yellow banana barometer. Customize your own theories. And just a reminder, once again, all of the updates to the menu of ideas are denoted in bold. Click on Hyperlink Stocks for the Gorilla Picks personal page, featuring its chart, recommended trading parameters, its company overview, and trading tips. That concludes the overview of Gorilla Trade's menu of ideas.